Hi, ever been at a property where the stopcock is in the most obscure place or is rusted beyond repair? And your customer would struggle to turn off mains water if there were ever a need to? Well, we've got the perfect answer. Introducing Surestop, the ideal solution. Today, I'm going to show you how quick and simple it is to install the original Surestop valve. As is standard, ensure you have a good clear work area. Locate and identify the main stopcock. Once the stopcock is located, isolate the water supply and, if possible, drain, ensuring no water is left. Select a location for Surestop valve. This is ideally suited to be as close as possible to the switch. However, the product does come with up to 2 meters of piping to give some flexibility. The Surestop valve is available in all the standard fitting types and sizes you would expect, including 15 and 22mm push fit and compression fitting, along with a 25mm MDPE version. Installation of the valve is a simple process, either as a direct replacement or when being inserted into a new location. Once the ideal location is selected, measure and cut pipe. This enables the fitting of inserts into the open ends. Insert both pipe ends into the Surestop valve, ensuring both are fully inserted. Silicone lubrication may be used to aid insertion of pipe. Select a location for Surestop remote switch, taking into account customers' requirements. This can be placed out of sight in a cupboard or for ease and quicker access above a worktop. Mark out using template provided and fix using screws from pack. Measure the distance between valve and remote switch and cut provided pipe to size. Connect pipe into both valve and remote switch. Isolate valve and switch. Make sure to open a tap before turning on the mains water. Reinstate mains water supply, being mindful of pipes being inserted correctly, avoiding any leaks. Turn on original stopcock and ensure Surestop valve is open. Make sure the nearest tap outlet is turned on and press Surestop switch to on position. Once water flows from tap, test switch and press to off position, ensuring water stops immediately. This will then reassure that the Surestop valve and remote switch are both fitted correctly and all is working. Well, we hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to look at our next video on how to fit the new Surestop iWater control, the valve that switches off mains water using an app.